Hello everyone, welcome back again to your SST class of class 3rd. Students, before winter vacation, we have completed explanation of chapter 13 in part 1 in previous video. Now it is time to start the exercises and question answer of the same chapter. Let us start. First of all, we will see the exercise A. Multiple choice questions MCQs. Choose the correct option to answer the following questions correctly. First, the national flag has dash in the center. What? Ashoka Chakra. Here Ashoka Chakra will come. Now in second, who composed our national song? He is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now third, which of the following features is shown in the given picture? In given picture it is given our national emblem. So option third we will take. Fourth, which of the following pair is wrong? Here first one, national flower lotus, it is correct. Second also correct, national animals is tiger. And the third, national fruit, it is given wrong because our national fruit is mango. Now see the question answer. Here are the question answer. First question, write in brief about the national animal of India. Answer, the tiger is our national animal. It represents strength, grace, power and magnificence. Second, what are the features of the national emblem? Answer, the features of national emblems are, it has been taken from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. Second, it shows 3 lions. And last, at the center, it has the wheel of Dharma Chakra. Third question, what are the rules to be followed regarding our national flag? Answer, the rules to be followed are, first, we must respect our national flag. Second, or B, a damaged flag should not be hoisted. Last question, what is the importance of national anthem? Answer, national anthem is a symbol of national unity. Our national anthem was composed by the great Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore. Now see the exercise C. Read the following statements carefully and mark tick on the true and cross on the false one. Here, first, our national flag was hoisted for the first time on 15 August 1947. Yes, it is true. Next, Ashoka Chakra has 27 spokes in it. No, it is incorrect because there are 24 spokes in it. Third, our national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, it is correct. And the last, rose is our national flower. No, lotus is our national flower. So it is incorrect. Now see the exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the help of the word given in the help box. See the first one. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. Second, the wheel on the national emblem has 24 spokes. And third, the national song was first sung by Rabindranath Tagore. And the fourth, the national emblem has been taken from the Ashoka pillar. Students, like this you have to write. Here also I have written the number in the help box. It is 4, 1, 2 and 3. Now see the exercise E. Correctly match column A with column B. National song, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. National anthem, Rabindranath Tagore. Satyamev Jayate, Mundak Upanishad. India is a secular country. Next, brain opener question, BOQS. First question, what steps should be taken to maintain the secular fabric of India? Answer, we should follow the law and order of our country. And next, B part, we should respect all religions. Second question, India is world famous for its unity in diversity. Explain the statement. Answer, despite the differences in religions or languages, food and clothes, all Indians are equal. So students, here are the answers. Now see the next exercise. It is self-assessment. This you have to do as your homework. What you have to do? Listen. Draw and color the national flag of India. Second, collect pictures of the national symbols of India and paste them on a chart paper. Here you can paste in your scrapbook also. No need to make that chart paper. And third, find out the meaning of three colors in our national flag. These you have to write in your notebook. This question you will write in your notebook. Okay. Now see the next page. On next page it is given life skills. First, learn the national anthem and national song and sing them in your classroom in a proper way. This you can do when your school will reopen. And second question, now you see, look at the following word search and find out the names of the national flowers. National flower, tree, bird, animal and fruit. Students, here are these: national animal, national flower, national tree, national fruit and national bird. Here these are given. Now students, chapter is completed. I hope you have understood this chapter. In next video we will meet again. Till then, take care. Thank you.